Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Today we're gonna make this super easy and delicious buttercream frosting. We're only gonna need 3 ingredients and you can either use fresh or frozen strawberries. So let's get started. To make this frosting, you'll need 2 cups of softened butter. I'm gonna add the butter into the bowl of my stand mixer and I'm gonna mix it up until nice and creamy. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can use an electric hand mixer. It will work just as well. Once my butter is creamed up, I'm gonna add in 1 1/4 cups of sweetened condensed milk and I'm gonna let this mix in before I add my strawberries. This will take about 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna move on to the strawberries and I'm using frozen strawberries today. I just took a few frozen strawberries out of the freezer, let them defrost, and that's how they look like. I'm gonna add the strawberries into the cup of my immersion hand blender and blend them on high for a few seconds until I get a smooth puree. Then I'm gonna strain it, and straining the strawberry puree will give you a very smooth and silky buttercream. The strawberries must be at room temperature when we add them into the butter. Now I'm gonna add the strawberry puree into the butter mixture and I'm gonna keep mixing on medium speed until everything is well combined. We do need to scrape the sides of the bowl a few times just to get all the ingredients nicely combined. My buttercream frosting is ready. You can use it as it is or you can add in a few drops of food coloring just to give it a nice pink color. This buttercream is not overly sweet, it has just the right amount of sweetness. I think this is a foolproof strawberry buttercream frosting recipe. It pipes absolutely beautifully. You can use it for different cakes, cupcakes, and desserts, and it tastes really good. I hope you guys liked the video. I'll see you next time. Bye!